Hi, in this video, I kind of didn't even feel like brushing my hair, but I did. And I was kind of like, I'm picking up the pieces in the front that surround my face, and I'm going to square off curls so they tweak like that. Okay, this sounds kind of silly, but I like that it's just kind of giving me this messy, tweaky look, and I feel like it's blending the messiness instead of like looking like hair explosion. It's kind of like a baby tweak, and I'm just doing it around the face because, that's really the most important part. I mean, I would never not brush the back like that, but I'm just gonna use this iron and square off. See how it just kind of squares off so that the curls are super tweaky, and that's the messy look. So finishing touches are just kind of like with my hands to kind of make it. I just kind of like use my hands to blend everything, the back to the front like that, And I hope you try this because it's super easy and fun. Please like and subscribe.